4th, I'm going to give a seminar on networking for geeks, it's called, at DevFest. And by networking, I mean this really strange thing that you have to do when you're at an event, you're at a conference, and you don't know anybody, and you have to go up to a complete stranger and say, "Hi, my name is Jeanne. Andre, nice to meet you." So this is a really weird thing to do. It's not normal. We don't do this We only do this thing at conferences, at events, at parties. Otherwise, at the supermarket, that would be really weird if I did that, right? But I want to give you one idea, one strategy for doing this, making it easier, because it's really uncomfortable to do this, I know. So I want you to imagine you're at a conference, you're at an event, you're really interested in the topic, but you don't know anybody to go with to this event. So you go all by yourself to this event. And then you go there and you look around and you don't know anybody at this event. And so what my question is for you is, what do you do? What do you do before the presentations? What do you do during the breaks? What do you do at lunch? What do you do at the after party? You don't know anybody. I think most of the time we spend looking really intensely at our notebooks or looking at our phones and looking like we're really doing serious stuff because we feel like losers because we're not talking to anybody. What I want you to do the next time, instead of doing that, because the more people you know, the more opportunities you have in life. It's much better. So it's good to meet new people. So what I want you to do next time is, it's the break time, all these people around. It looks like everybody's talking to somebody, right? It looks like you're the only guy that is standing by themselves and doesn't know anybody. But next time I want you to look harder. Look for the loners. Look for people that are standing there, looking at their phones, trying to look really like they're intensely doing something important. They feel like losers, okay? So what you want to do is find the loners. Go up to them and say, "Hi, my name is Jeanne. Nice to meet you." So he feels much better now because he feels like, somebody's talking to him and somebody's talking to me. I feel better too. And it's not just introducing yourself, because then you go like, well, what am I going to say? Why does he want to meet me? Why does he want to talk to me? So say who you are and then say something like, "Well, I'm really interested in machine learning, that's why I'm here. What about you?" Well, he may not be interested in machine learning, but maybe he'll then say, "Well, I'm really interested in blockchain for the travel industry," and then you have a conversation going on.
Sounds like a product.
And all of a sudden, you're talking to somebody. You are having a conversation. You are not the loner person. You've done it. The first time you do it, it's really scary. It is really hard. I know that. But what I want you to do the next time, and in fact, tonight, I think you should start this. When you go to an event, set a goal for yourself. Say, "I'm going to meet 3 new people before I go home." Or, "I'm going to meet 3 new people before I hang out with my friends." If it's the first time for you, if you've never done this before, just say, "I'm going to meet 1 new person. And then I'll go home and it'll be all right. I'll just stand in the corner and shake for a while." So what I want you to do right now, because there are so many people here, I'm going to use some of my time to say, don't go across the room. Find somebody next to you that you don't know, introduce yourself, and then sit down. Go!